Yeah, children, today we'll discuss in reproduction lesson, 10th class CBSE, how to draw male reproductive system and also parts and their functions. Parts and their functions. What are the parts and their functions? We'll discuss it. Okay, so please check children, all of you here. Male reproductive system, their parts and their functions. Okay, so children, male reproductive system in humans, main important parts are testis children. Okay, main important parts are testis. There are two in number children. Actually, I'm drawing side view. That's why I'm drawing one. There are two testis are there children. Okay, number one is testis. Number one is testis. Okay, testis. These are called testis children. Okay, now testes are protected by a loose fold of skin called as scrotal sacs. Scrotum. Loose fold of skin will be there children. Testes are protected by scrotum. First I will draw figure. Then I will explain each and every function part. First I will draw the figure. Okay. By name. Then children, inside the testis, so many vast difference and epididymis will be there children. Like this side is coil structure children. They all will coil like this and they will go like this children. Okay. They will go like this. They will go like this children. They will go like this and they will go like this and they will go like this children. And this is called as vas difference. Vas difference. Okay children. I will put on that side children so that you will understand. This is called testis. Okay children. And this is called as scrotum. Scrotum. Some people will say scrotal sacs also children. Anything is okay. And this is called as vas difference children. Okay, here. This is called vas difference. This is called vas difference. Please see here children. No one should unmute your videos, audios. Vas difference. Vas difference. Okay. Now this is called spermatic duct. Spermatic duct. Okay, children, and this will come like this, like this, like this. Spermatic duct, children, at one junction will take the opening from urinary bladder, children. At one junction, it will take opening from urinary bladder. Okay, once it takes the opening from the urinary bladder, it is no more called as spermatic duct. Now, children, it is called as urethra, children. Now it is called as urethra. Okay, children, now it is called, see here, once it takes the junction from urinary bladder, now it is called as urethra. Urethra, children. Okay, now this is the structure, and at this junction, children, you will be having three glands, children. Three glands will be there. Okay, the glands names are, children, see here, seminal, vesicles, okay, and also prostrate glands and Cowpers glands. Bulbourethral Cowper glands. Okay, children, they won't be this in your book. Cowpers glands. These three are the glands which are present at this junction, children. Okay, now you see here, children. This is there here. This is urethra is the this urethra is very very sensitive structure, children. And this urethra, since it is sensitive structure, it is protected by muscular organ-like structure, children. This is protected by muscular organ-like structure. 1 second. The muscular organ-like structure, children, that is called penis, children. That is called penis. Okay, it is protected by muscular organ-like structure, children. That is called as penis. Okay, children, that is called as penis. This is called as penis, children. This is muscular organ-like structure called penis. Okay, children, this is called penis, and this is muscular organ, children. It is made up of muscular fibers here, here, and here. Children, my diagram is only for your understanding. Please draw diagram from textbook only, children. Please draw diagram only from textbook, children. Okay, my diagram is only for your understanding. That's all. So that I can make you understand properly. That's why I'm drawing. Your final diagram should be from textbook. By seeing my explanation and this parts, you will understand what is the basic structure. Now, children, what are the structures we studied in this see here? So, I will say number one, I told testis. Testes are protected by scrotum. From the testes, vas difference, epididymis, all those things will arise. From vas difference, spermatic duct will come. Spermatic duct. Spermatic duct, once it takes the junction from bladder, it will become urethra. Okay, urethra, because it is sensitive structure, it is protected by pens. And the three glands which are present at this junction are called, what are the glands? These are called seminal vesicles, prostrate glands, and Cowpers glands. I will discuss. Okay, so now each structure function I will say slowly. Please listen children, very very. Testes are the very important glands in human males children. They help in production. Two functions are mentioned. There are two functions. The two functions of the testis children. The two functions of testis is one, production of sperms. One production of sperms children. Male gametes. Sperms are called male gametes. Okay children, and they are haploid. Do you remember children? Yesterday I told you they are haploid. Haploid means what? They have 23 chromosomes. In our body, all cells will have 46. All cells will have 46. Only sperm will have 23 children. All cells in our body from head to toe. From head to toe, all cells will have 46 only, except sperms. Sperms will have 23. Remaining all cells will have 46 chromosomes. They are haploid. Sperms are haploid. They are meiotic divisions. Okay. And the other function of testis is to produce male hormones, testosterone. What is the function of testosterone? Helps in development of male sexual characters. Helps in development of male sexual characters like growth of beard, mustache, and strong shoulders, broad shoulders, low pitch voice, and hair in the pubic regions and axillary regions. All male sexual characters. Okay, enlargement of penis during the puberty. All these things. Yeah, this testosterone will take care. Testosterone. What is the function of testosterone? Helps in development of male sexual characters. So what are the two functions of testis? 2 marks question in board exam. Sperms production, testosterone hormone production. This is a hormone. Actually, it is deleted from our syllabus this year, but actually it is there in normal syllabus children. Testosterone is a hormone. Testis produce testosterone in males, hormone, and also production of sperms. Testis is over. Testis is over. Next. Okay, so children, scrotum. Scrotum protects testis. Okay, scrotum protects testis. Mainly, children, what is the thing is testes cannot withstand high human body temperature. Testes cannot withstand high human body temperature. That's why they are present below abdomen. Below abdomen. In males, testes are present below abdomen. Testes are present below abdomen. Why they are present below abdomen? They will ask in board exam questions. Why testes are extra abdominal? They are present outside the abdomen in the scrotum children. Why means testes cannot withstand high human body temperature. Very important question. Testes cannot withstand high human body temperature. Don't forget. Don't forget. Testes cannot withstand high human body temperature. Don't forget this point. They are present outside the abdomen, extra abdominal. Why? Because testes cannot, and they are present in the scrotum. Scrotum is a loose fold of skin in which testes are lodged. Okay, valves deferens. They help in storing and transferring the sperms. Okay, children. They help in storing and spermatic duct. Spermatic duct here, sperms will be coming, children. It helps in transport of sperms, children. Transport of sperms. Not always children, only during sexual activity sperms will come. Remaining times sperms won't come. Urethra. Urethra in males is called as urinogenital duct. Very important question. What is urinogenital duct? Urinogenital duct means in males urethra, this central portion, this white thing, narrow duct thing is called urethra. This urethra helps in passage of urine and also passage of sperms. Sperms won't come always, children. Only during sexual intercourse, sperms will come. Remaining term, urine will come, children. Because urine and sperms are coming from the same passage, urethra in males is called urinogenital duct. What is it called? Urinogenital duct. Don't forget, children, and it's very sensitive structure, children. Since it is very sensitive structure, it is protected by a muscular organ called penis, and penis is a copulatory organ. Penis is copulatory organ. What is copulatory organ means? It helps in sexual intercourse between male and female. Penis helps in sexual intercourse between male and female. Penis is a muscular organ. Okay, children, and during puberty it becomes enlarged, and whenever blood flows it becomes erect. Whenever there is less blood flow it will be normal, and whenever blood flow is more it will become erected, and during sexual intercourse it will become erected and is used in copulation. Copulation means sexual intercourse. Okay, children, so listen, each part function I will say again slowly. Listen, testis two functions, production of sperms and hormone testosterone. Don't forget. Scrotal function just protects the testis. Easy. Vas deferens store and pass. Spermatic duct transport of sperms. Urethra is important. After testis, urethra is important. Urethra is called urinogenital duct. They asked a question also in the last year 2 months. Why urethra is called urinogenital duct? Because urethra helps in passage of urine and also passage of sperms. Okay, urine comes always, sperms come only during sexual intercourse. And penis is copulatory organ in males. Okay. These are the parts and their function. Apart from this, three glands we have seen. Three glands we have seen. What are the three glands? Seminal vesicles, prostate glands, Cowpers glands. What are their function? Seminal vesicles, prostate. During sexual intercourse, listen carefully. During sexual intercourse, when sperms are coming here, children, I'm drawing a little bit big so that you will understand. When sperms are coming, these three glands will put fluid in that, children. To the sperms, they will add fluid. This fluid, what it will do? Fluid plus sperms is called semen. Try to understand, children. Whenever sperms are coming during sexual intercourse only, not always, these three glands will put fluids on the sperms. That fluid plus sperms is called semen. That semen, with the help of penis, is ejaculated in female's vagina. Okay, children, it is ejaculated in female's vagina. And try to understand what is the function. They will ask children what is the function of seminal vesicles and prostate glands. They are asking question. One mark question. You have write 2 points. 1 point is they help in release of fluids into the sperms, which help in that fluids helps in the function. Two functions are there for the fluid. The two functions of this fluid are one is nutrition. They will give nutrition to sperms, children, because after they enters into female's vagina, they have to swim all along the vagina, cervix, uterus, and they have to reach fallopian tube to reach ova for fertilization. So to swim, they need energy. For that energy, they give nutrition fluid and also helps giving lubrication. Means for easy swimming, millions of sperms will be ejaculated in female's vagina, children. All of them will be swimming. Okay, whoever goes first to the ova, they will only survive. One sperm will enter out of millions of sperms which are ejaculated in female's vagina. Only one will go to ova, and that one will enter into ova. Then fertilization occurs, children. To swim, lubrication, smoothness is needed, and nutrition is needed. This nutrition and lubrication is given by fluids. Who is secreting these fluids? Seminal vesicles, prostate glands, Cowpers glands. What are they? Seminal vesicles, prostate glands, Cowpers glands. What are they? Seminal vesicles, prostate glands, Cowpers glands. So these are the things we have studied, children. Once at nutshell, all the parts and their functions in the children. See here. Only in the testis, we discussed testis. Then testes are protected by scrotum. From the testis, who is coming? Vas deferens. Vas deferens is going into spermatic duct. Spermatic duct is taking a junction three glands. What are the three glands? Seminal vesicles, Cowper glands, prostrate glands. Okay, children, prostate glands, and then once it takes the junction, then because spermatic duct now changes into urethra. Urethra is protected by penis. Okay, children. So these are all things I told children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts, functions I told. Testes have two functions I told. Scrotum lodges, vas deferens stores spermatic seminal vesicles, copper gland, and they secrete fluid I said. That fluid function is to give nutrition and lubrication to the sperms. Nutrition and lubrication to the sperms. Urethra is a urinogenital structure. Don't forget, urinogenital structure means it helps in passage of urine and also passage of sperms. Okay, children. One sperm, if you see children, yesterday how I told like anchor structure is the same like that only children. One sperm will be like this children. One sperm will be like this children with okay children like this it will be. One sperm, it looks like this. This will have a tail, children. This will have a neck. This will have a head. In this mitochondria is there, and acronym is there, children. A cap-like structure. They will swim, children. Millions of sperms will be released into female vagina, and all these sperms, children, all these sperms keeps on swimming, 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 and there is the ova which is present in ovary. One sperm fertilizes ova. One sperm only will enter, children. If two sperms enter, accidentally twins will come. Okay, that is different case. I will say during pregnancy. Okay, sperm plus ova gives a zygote. That is fertilization. Zygote is formed in oviduct in females. I will say tomorrow in the female reproductive system, and that zygote comes and get attached to uterus by implantation and grows for 9 months, and the baby will be born. Fetus. This is that is all. Today's structures are testis, scrotum, vas deferens, spermatic duct, seminal vesicles, Cowpers glands, prostate glands, urethra, penis. These are the structures we have studied today, children. Okay, so notes I'll put in the description. That notes you learn, children, and MCQs, worksheets also I'll put in the description and I'll put as a links, children. Do that; it will be helpful. And diagram is very important. Diagram you have to draw from textbook only. My diagram is only for explanation, children. Okay, thank you so much. Any doubts you have, you can ask me.